Hello everyone and welcome to Sreelaya's channel. I'm super excited today to share with you my favorite mutton curry recipe. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We'll need half a kilo mutton, 1 medium-sized onion finely sliced, 3 to 4 green chilies, a handful of coriander chopped, a handful of curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We'll need tomato puree from about 4 tomatoes, and I've made a coconut paste here. This coconut paste will include 4 to 5 pieces of coconut and a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of jeera, and a teaspoon of poppy seeds, all ground together to make that coconut paste. For the masalas, we'll need 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Both the garam masala and the coconut paste I will detail down in the description, so don't forget to take a look. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add onions to start with. Saute the onions for about a minute and then add in the curry leaves and the green chilies. Continue sauteing until the onions turn golden brown and add in the ginger garlic paste. It's an absolute delight when the ginger garlic paste hits the oil. The moment it mixes with the onions, the flavors and the aroma that gives out is absolutely divine. I love this face and I enjoy it. Continue to saute until the raw smell from the ginger garlic paste is gone, or until you see the oil separating. At this stage, add the mutton and mix it well until the ginger garlic paste has coated the meat completely. Once the meat has mixed well and has started to cook, it's time to add in all of the masalas with 2 teaspoons salt. Give it a good mix and let the masalas coat the meat really well. Let them cook for about 30 seconds and add in a glass of water. When the masalas have really blended well with the meat and there's no trace of water, at this stage, add the tomato puree. Mix the tomato puree well with the masalas. Once it's done, let it sit for about a couple of minutes until it cooks and you see the oil separating. At this stage, you can add a couple of potatoes as well. Toss the potatoes around for about a minute or two, and it's time to add the coconut paste. Ensure the coconut paste is blended in completely, after which you could add about 250 ml to about 500 ml of water, depending on the consistency that you'd like. If you'd like it really watery, then about half a liter of water should do. Water is very important for this cooking phase because when you pressure cook, the coconut tends to stick to the base if there is not enough water. Time to put the lid back on and let it pressure cook for about 5 to 6 whistles. It's been 15 minutes of cooking. And here's your delicious mutton curry. Goes really well with the ghee rice, plain rice, coconut rice, rotis or parathas. After a good mix, it's time to garnish it with some chopped coriander. Adds a lovely flavor to it. After you've added the coriander, give it a gentle mix and let it simmer for a minute. This is to allow the flavors from the coriander to infuse into the curry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.